Opening your mouth wide at the doctor. Ah.
I.
Say cheese for a photo. E. A fish face underwater. Oh, so cool. An elegant dancer gracefully saying A. What a move.
Oh.
A girl gasping oh at something amazing.
Ka.
Karate chop. Ka like a fighter's shout.
Ki.
A magical key that opens hidden doors.
Ku.
A little bird opening its beak. Coo. Coo.
Ke.
Ketchup. Squeeze it out K.
Ka.
Two koi fish circling together in a pond.
Sa.
Sakura petals drifting down. Saw. So peaceful.
Shi.
Sheet of calm water. She so still while fishing.
Su.
Sushi. Fresh and delicious.
Se.
A student calling sensei. Sensei in class.
So.
A needle looping thread. So, stitch it.
Ta.
A taiko drummer striking. Tada.
Chi.
A cheerleader chant. Chi so energetic.
Tsu.
A massive wave. Tsunami crashing in.
De.
A gentle hand reaching out. Te means hand.
To.
A torii gate in the morning mist. So beautiful.
Na.
A napping girl under a tree. Nah, so sleepy.
Ni.
A ninja hiding in the shadows. Ni disappears.
Na.
Slurping noodles. So delicious.
Ne.
Never stop purring. A cat nuzzles by the window.
No.
A scroll unrolling. No means of in Japanese. A hearty laugh. Ha ha ha. Hee hee, giggling in the sunshine. Blowing on hot food. Foo foo foo. A mountain peak. Ha, what a view.
Huh?
Home sweet home. Ho sounds like home.
Ma?
A mama bear protecting her cub. Ma.
Me?
A mirror reflecting. Me like see me.
Ma?
A cow mooing in the field. Moo.
Me?
Beautiful eyes. Meh. Mesmerizing.
Ma?
A fishing hook. Looks like more fish.
Ya?
An arrow flying. Yaw like an archer's shout.
You?
Yoo-hoo. Waving from a steamy hot spring.
Yo?
A yo-yo spinning up and down. Yo. Yo.
Da?
A rabbit running super fast. Raw. Rabbit.
Ri?
Two flowing rivers running side by side.
Ru?
A looping roller coaster. So exciting.
Re?
Refreshing. A cool river curving through the land.
No?
A rowboat floating on a still sunset lake.
What?
A swan gliding on water. So graceful.
Oh?
Whoa. The bridge that links what to do. A monk humming in deep meditation.